Hi guys, welcome to M classes. Today we will see how we can perform join operation in case of entity framework. To perform join operation, we were using two tables, department and employee, and both these tables present in this sample DB database. This employee table will have 6 attributes and this department table will have 3 attributes. So now we will see how we can perform this operation in case of Visual Studio. The project structure we have created two projects. One is C# class library project and the another one is ASP.NET Empty Web Application project. In this project, first I have generated an EDMX file using this sample DB database, and then I have created two custom classes. One is employee department view model class. This class I have created to carry the data from both these employee and department table. And then I have created one more class, employee department. In this class I have written the methods to get data from the database. So in this class, first I have created the object of context class, because whenever you want to perform any kind of operation on entities, you always need context class object. So after getting that context class object, now we can write the logic to get the data from both these tables. So in this method get employee department details, I have written the logic to perform join between employee and department on the basis of their department ID. When employee department ID equals to department ID, then I have when both these IDs were same, then I have taken the data into this employee department view model class and make a list, and simply going to return that list. And in our ASP.NET web application project, I have simply put a grid view on the ASPX page, and on its page load I am going to call this method get employee department details of this employee department class. But to access this employee department class over here, first we have to add the reference by using add reference. As you can see, I have already added the reference of fdel, and I have also added one more reference of entity framework in both my projects. And after adding this entity framework reference, one more thing that I have to add is this connection string. As you can see, I have added a connection string sample DB entities. How you can add this connection string, I will show you. You can simply go to app.config. Here is the connection string. You can simply copy that connection string and move that connection string to the config file of that project in which you are working. This connection string is automatically generated. You need not to do anything for this, and you just copy this connection string from this file and put it into the config file of project where you want to use it. Otherwise it will give you an error message that is sample DB context is not found. Now we were going to run this project and see we were getting the result or not. Here you can see that you can get the data from both these tables on the basis of department ID. Now I'm going to call this get all employee method. In my employee department class I've created three methods. Well, the second one is get all employee and the last one is get all department. I've created this method, all these methods, to show you guys it is not always necessary that we have to create one additional class to carry that data. Because if I'm not going to show you, some of you might get confused that every time if you want to carry data from the entity framework, you have to create a custom class always. It is not necessary. Now you can see that we were getting that result and we have not created any custom class. So this is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can get data from multiple tables without performing any join. Thank you guys.